Want to get into 3D printing but don't know the first thing about 3D modeling? Don't worry. Top 5 sources for high quality models coming at you now. First up, Thingiverse, the largest 3D printing community in the world. It has over 3 million free models to choose from, ranging from toys to gadgets to even functional parts. You can also customize and share your own designs with the community, like us. So if you ever see a print that tickles your fancy, check out the link in the description. Fangs is a newer platform that has quickly gained popularity among 3D printing enthusiasts. It offers a massive library of high quality models as well as unique features like search engine that allows you to find models based on object, shape, texture, and more. MyMiniFactory offers a wide selection of high-quality print-tested models. Though some are free, most you're going to have to pay for. But they do have a team of designers that ensures each model is optimized for printing, and their platform also allows you to connect with designers for custom projects. If you're feeling a little artsy, then the French-based website Colts just might be your best bet. From art to home decor, they have both free and paid-for options, and their platform allows you to browse by category, designer, popularity. You can also earn rewards for uploading your own designs. Last but not least, GrabCAD offers 3D printable models for engineers and designers. With both free and paid options, they have a massive library of CAD files. You will have to convert them to an STL for 3D printing, but their platform also allows you to collaborate with other designers and access professional grade tools for advanced modeling. Whether you're a hobbyist or professional, in my opinion, these are the top 5 websites you need to check out.